Hi.
I love you.
No, I said hi.
Hi.
No, what do you say when I say hi?
Mommy. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
No. What's your name?
Me and Maxine.
How old are you?
3.
Where do you live?
In Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz? What's your daddy's name?
Daddy Jim.
What about your mommy?
Mommy Chloe.
Really? What's your brother's name?
Matthew Burns Mark.
Matthew Burns Mark? Complito man. What about your sister's name?
Madeline Claire.
Where's your lola na?
Philippines.
Daddy too. The Philippines?
Daddy!
What about Maday? Where's your Maday?
The Philippines.
In the Philippines too?
Mommy.
I thought you're from Hawaii. Mary Maxine.
Daddy.
Maxine, you didn't answer me. You didn't answer me. What's your daddy's name?
Daddy Tim.
What about your mommy?
Daddy. Mommy.
Can she have a gummy?
She got already too. I gave her two.